Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More. I'm standing outside a house flip we just completed. So it is staged, ready to list, and we are allowed to list houses in Colorado and have showings now, so that's great. We'll walk you through it, show you all the things we did to it, and talk about the numbers as well. So be sure to check out investformore.com. Much more information on flips, rentals, wholesaling, be an agent, all of that good stuff. And of course, we appreciate the likes, so if you can hit the like button, that helps us out. I know it seems silly, but it really does help YouTubers, and that's why every single one of them tells you to like their videos. We painted the outside, so this was red before. So we did paint the outside of the house, and you can see in the before video, which I'll link to, what it looked like when we first bought it. And we bought this from a wholesaler for $241,800. So I actually did a little bit above and beyond and looked at the price this time to see how much we bought it for. You can see Nikki staged it. She said they had a little problem and their coffee table broke on the way over here. So that's why it looks a little weird without a coffee table. But she's been doing a great job with her staging and saves us money as well. Nikki is my project manager. We painted, replaced the flooring in here, and we also did end up replacing the kitchen, as you can see. So these are Home Depot. I think they're the kitchen compact cabinets, Home Depot appliances, just the laminate counters that we get from Home Depot as well. So these are very affordable cabinets and counters. We probably spent, $4,000 in material on this kitchen for everything. So that was probably worth it. Plus we had labor. Upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms and just 1 bath. Be nice to have 2 baths, but does not have that. And then we kept the doors. So we talked about, do we keep the doors? Do we just paint them? And we ended up just painting them, and we painted all the hardware as well. So those are the same handles, same hinges. We just painted those. They have a special paint you can paint those with, and they turned out pretty good. So good to see that. And you can see this is the master bedroom. Good sized room. It's probably 14 by 13, 15 by 13. And this house itself, I think, is about 2,000 square feet total if you include all 4 levels. So a lot of you guys ask me, hey, how big is that house? So that's how big this one is. The bathroom, that is the same tile, same tub. We did replace the vanity and mirror, but save a ton of money by keeping the tub and tile, that is for sure. We have the other 2 bedrooms back here. We don't stage every single room. So overall, we didn't have to do a roof. We didn't have to do anything with the HVAC. Very little plumbing work. So we probably ended up spending $25,000 on this, or in that range. It all adds up. All the paint adds up. All the flooring adds up. All the labor adds up. And you have some staging, all the little costs as well. And then we're hoping it'll sell for around $330,000 when all is said and done. And then we'll also have another $20,000 to $25,000 in other costs, financing costs, selling costs, carrying costs. The nice thing about this house is we bought it a month ago. We actually were really fast for once. And so that will cut down on all of our financing costs, carrying costs while we own this property. So, you see the flipping shows, like, oh, you just had the repairs. Who cares about the utilities, the property taxes, the insurance, maintenance, all those other costs you have. But those all add up. And the longer you have a property, the more those are. And it's very echoey in here. I don't feel like it was like that before. But down here again, flooring, paint is pretty much all we did. Here is the second bathroom. Again, vanity, mirror. Those were there already. The shower is the same shower that was here before. So again, saves us a ton of money when we can do that. They look decent. They're not fancy, but they're workable. And there is a 4th level too. So my very first house I ever bought was a 4 level. So I kind of have a special place in my heart for 4 levels. There's still a tiny bit of stuff we need to do. That window needs cleaned out a little bit. And there's just some real minor touch up that we just saw again. Because every time you go through a house, you find more things. But it's ready for pictures here that will be done later today. And then the furnace, like we needed a way to open this door easily, as you can see, because that doesn't work very well. So that's one thing we need to fix. But that did not need work for once. So that is nice. We have so many furnaces that need replaced. And then we will check out the backyard as well as we head back into the echo room. All right. The garage. Didn't do anything in here. Just cleaned it out a little bit. And the backyard, you can see it's good size. You can see we painted the back of the house too, the whole thing. And it has this nice covered patio. Oh, and like I said, that screen door is getting fixed too. And then the little playhouse back here, we painted that too, as you can see. And we fixed the little window, put plexiglass back in there. It was broken. There's extra parking back here, which is super nice. I love all the extra parking I can get, I know that. And we'll show you. Oh, it has a little flower planter. I didn't even see that before. Oh, they didn't clean it out in here. See, every time you come back to a property, you find more stuff. That's just how it works. All right, so that is the house. We'll get pictures done today, virtual tour done today. It's already staged. A few minor things need patched up, like that screen door, a tiny bit of other stuff. We'll get it listed as soon as we get those pictures back, probably tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it sells quick and we can keep moving on to the new projects. But this is kind of how we want to do our flips, is buy them in a month or buy them a month ago, get them done, get them listed, and hopefully get them sold very quickly. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you guys appreciate these videos. I know I appreciate all of you who like and comment and subscribe, so keep that up. And if you have suggestions or anything, leave them below. Love to see what you guys have to say, and we'll be back with more soon.